Welcome to today's pen spinning tutorial. If you're into pen spinning tricks that not only look impressive, but also enhance your coordination, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to talk about a fascinating move known as the triangle pass. The triangle pass is an intermediate level pen spinning trick that's both elegant and visually captivating. It's called the triangle pass because the pen smoothly transitions between three fingers, forming a triangular movement. When executed properly, it looks like the pen is gliding effortlessly from one position to another, giving the illusion of constant motion. What makes the triangle pass special is how it can be integrated into various combos, making your overall performance smoother and more fluid. This trick is not just about quick reflexes, it emphasizes precision, timing, and control. Getting the pen to travel smoothly between your fingers without breaking the flow is the key to nailing this move. Whether you're performing for friends or creating content for your channel, the triangle pass is a great way to impress and showcase your skill set. Stay tuned for the next video, where we'll break down the steps of the triangle pass, helping you master it one spin at a time.